Hello children, good morning everyone. Welcome to our new session. Today we will move forward and discuss the exercise of the lesson The Talkative Barber. In previous session we have discussed the question answers of this story. Now please attention here what we have to do in this question. In this question, we have to study the words in the first column and see the changes in them in the second column. Here you can see the words in column 2 are the opposite words of the column 1. For example, important is given in column 1. Now in column 2, the word is unimportant. So here this word in column 2 is the opposite word of important. Next, patient. By adding some prefix im, the word in column 2 is the opposite of the patient. And pleasure, then displeasure. Here prefix is added as dis, and the word become as the opposite of pleasure as displeasure. Now write the opposite of the following using un means un, im means im, and dis means dis. So here we will add some suffixes at the prefix. We will add some prefixes at the beginning of this word and make it antonym or opposite word. First is given believe. Now by adding this word we have made disbelieve as the opposite of believe. Now shaved, unshaved, perfect, imperfect, satisfy, dissatisfy, polite, impolite, respect, disrespect, pure, impure, expected, unexpected, obedient, disobedient. Now by adding some prefixes as un, im and dish in some words, we have made this word as the opposite of the words in column 1. Okay, now let's discuss another exercise. Next question. Question number 2. Fill in the blanks by adding un, im or dish to the words given in the box. Number 1. The teacher got upset with Rani because her work was blank. Here in this box, the word is given tidy, T-I-D-Y, which means neat. But here we have to fill these blanks by adding prefixes to this word. So here we will add un at the beginning of this word. And now we will fill the blank as untidy. Second, the dog was blank to climb the tree to chase the cat. डॉग था वो कैट को चेस करने के लिए ट्री क्लाइंब करने के लिए अनएबल था. सो हियर एबल इज गिवन. We have added un at the beginning of this word and fill this blank with unable. Number 3. I blank hot milk. I like it cold. Here like is given. Now here we have to write opposite word of like. So we have added dis and fill this blank with the word dislike. Number 4. It is blank to cross the road during peak traffic hours. Possible is given here. Now we have added im as the prefix of this word and fill this blank with impossible. Number 5. The magician waved his magic wand and made the rabbit blank. Here appear is given. Now we have to write opposite word of this word. So we will add here dis at the beginning of this word and fill this blank with disappear. Next, the passengers became impatient when the train was late again. Here we have added I am at the beginning of the word patient. Next, it is very blank to make fun of another person's weakness. So here kind is given. We have added un at the beginning of this word and we have make opposite form of this word and fill this blank with it. Now question number 3. Notice the highlighted words in the sentences given below. You ordered me to come, so I will not quit your house till I have shaved you. While he was shaving me, he could not stop talking. Now we have to use the joining words given in the box to fill in the blanks. Number 1 is given, please wait with me. Blank the bus arrives. Till means जब तक. Please जब तक बस अराइव होती है तब तक आप मेरे साथ यहाँ पे प्लीज वेट करो. So here we have fill this blank with till. Number 2. Do you like football? Blank cricket. Here 2 games given, so we have to write on. Do you like football or cricket? Number 3. My father packed my lunch. Blank my mother combed my hair. जब मेरी मदर हेयर कॉम कर रही थी तब मेरे फादर मेरा लंच पैक कर रहे थे. So here we will write while. Next, we will reach on time. Blank we go by the car. Here we will write if to join these sentences. Your speech cannot be heard by the audience. Blank you use a powerful mic. Unless, here we will write unless to fill this blank. Next, it was a beautiful day, so they decided to go for a picnic. So here we will fill this blank with so. Next, we went to the zoo. Blank we saw many animals. हम जू में गए थे जहाँ पे हमने बहुत सारे एनिमल्स को देखा. So here we will fill this blank with where. Next question. Look at the words in the bubbles. Here you can see these bubbles. Write what you do when you are at a blank. अब यहाँ पे आपको क्या करना है, तो जैसे कि नंबर 1 में feast दिया है. Feast means invitation for lunch or dinner is called feast. अगर आपको किसी ने लंच पे या डिनर पे इनविटेशन दिया है, आप उसके घर पे जाओगे तो आप फीस्ट करने गए हो, ऐसे हम कह सकते हैं. सो जब आप फीस्ट पे जाते हो तो आप इसमें से ये बबल में से क्या कर सकते हो, व्हाट यू डू. सो फर्स्ट वी विल राइट सर्व, देन ड्रिंक एंड देन ग्रीट. We will greet, drink and serve in the feast. Then race. रेस पे हम क्या कर सकते हैं, तो रेस पे हम कॉम्पिटिट कर सकते हैं, हम पार्टनर के साथ, पार्टिसिपेंट्स के साथ कम्पीट कर सकते हैं. देन रन करते हैं एंड विन ऑल्सो. सो रन, विन एंड कम्पीट वी विल राइट इन दिस ब्लैंक. क्रिकेट मैच. What we do at cricket match? We cheer and shout. So we will write these 2 words, cheer and shout. Then cinema. What you do in cinema? We enjoy a lot during watching movie. Then we sit also. So we will write sit and enjoy. Then what you do at fair? At fair we do many things like ride, yell, देन बाय, बहुत सारी चीज़ हम परचेज करते हैं, बाय करते हैं. देन वेव, वी वेव ऑल्सो, वाइल राइडिंग वी वेव आवर पेरेंट्स एंड रिलेटिव्स ऑल्सो. At last, what you do at party? At party, we all dance, then play and sing also. So here we have filled this blanks from the words given in the bubble. Here we have completed all the exercise of this lesson, the talkative barber. I hope you also understood well. In next session, we will start new unit, unit number 7.